Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you can search about ChatGPT. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about ChatGPT. Here you can enhance your app and you can answer it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.